Have you ever pondered where human society, as we know it today, sprang from? How did the intricate systems of governance, law, and other institutions we're all too familiar with come into existence? It all began way back in the annals of human history, at a time when mankind was still in its infancy. Journey with us back to the Neolithic Age, a period marked by a seismic shift in human behavior. This was the era when humans transitioned from a nomadic lifestyle to a more settled existence. The birth of agriculture meant people could now stay in one place, leading to the formation of the earliest human settlements. But it didn't stop there. The newfound stability provided the perfect platform for people to explore their creative side. They began crafting pots, designing jewelry, and decorating their homes, marking the dawn of art and culture. Even ideologies evolved as humans started to grapple with complex concepts such as faith and belief systems. Then came the technological advancements. The Neolithic people discovered how to work with metal, weave fabrics, and create pottery. These skills not only improved their quality of life, but also opened up avenues for trade with neighboring regions. As we move forward in time, we arrive at the Chalcolithic Age, also known as the Copper Age. This period, sandwiched between the Neolithic and Bronze Ages, was a time of significant transformation. Copper and other metals were now in use, farming expanded, and horse husbandry came into play. In India, several notable Chalcolithic cultures emerged, such as the Ahar or Banas culture, the Kayatha people, the Malwa society, and the Jorwe society. These tribes introduced copper and brass to the Indian subcontinent, using these metals to create tools, weapons, and adornments. The Chalcolithic people also developed a distinctive pottery style, often decorated with geometric designs. They were predominantly agriculturalists, rearing livestock and cultivating crops like wheat, barley, and rice. They lived in small settlements, usually near water sources, and had varied religious beliefs, often centered around nature and ancestral worship. The Chalcolithic culture played a pivotal role in shaping India's history. It was a time of immense change and innovation, laying the foundation for the later societies of the Bronze Age. To summarize, human society and institutions have their roots in the Neolithic and Chalcolithic ages. The shift to a settled lifestyle spurred the emergence of art, culture, and technological advancements. As societies evolved, so did their systems of governance and law, leading to the complex institutions we see today. So the next time you marvel at our modern society, remember, it all started with a group of Neolithic people choosing to plant crops instead of hunting and gathering.